Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you change your Google Maps home address. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Real quick, first open your store to make sure we have the Google Maps application updated for everything to work properly. After that, quit the store. Now let's open Google Maps. Once the app loads up, the first thing you need to do is to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to get this little menu. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Settings. In Settings, find Edit Home or Work and tap on it. And now from here, just tap on Home to make sure that this is the address that you want to change. Once you make sure that this is the one, go ahead and quit from here and tap on the three dots right next to Home. Then from here, tap on Edit Home. And now on the search bar in the top, go ahead and search for your new home address or the new home address location that you want to change your current home address to. Once you search for it and you find it on the map and you confirm that this is the right address, you can tap on Save in the bottom. If it's not really accurate, you can always drag or zoom out and in to find the correct address. Once you're done, tap on Save, then tap on Done, and you should be good to go. Just like that, you have easily changed your home address on Google Maps. If this video is helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and solutions to your problems. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.